Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Laravel SaaS CashU payment gateway plugin. Now this particular SaaS add-on allows the super admin to integrate the CashU payment method in the Bagisto store for their tenants. So the CashU payment method is one of the most widely used payment methods in the Middle East and the North Africa. There is no monthly or yearly fee. There is no subscription or maintenance fee. No upfront bank security is required. Now this particular plugin is an add-on to the Laravel multi-company SaaS module. So you must have first installed the Laravel multi-company SaaS module, and thereafter you will be able to make use of the particular plugin. That's the Laravel SaaS CashU payment gateway plugin itself. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the customer workflow of selecting the CashU payment gateway at the checkout time, and I'll be showing you the workflow at the tenants end as well, how the tenants would be able to set up the CashU payment gateway under their own account panel in the website admin backend panel there itself. So you can see that right now I'm on one of the tenant websites. That's the site1.ashish-saas.com, and this is the backend of the subdomain there. This is subdomain site1.ashish-saas.com admin/login. So before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial, kindly do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I've already logged into my customer account at the storefront, and what I'll be doing is I'll be adding one product. For example, I'll go with the chronograph watch here. I'll edit into the cart there. The product has been added into the cart, as you can see, and I'll make a checkout thereafter. On the checkout page, I'll be selecting my billing address. So I'll be choosing it of Dubai, and after that we'll see this the shipping method. I'll select my shipping method, and here under the payment methods you'll find the CashU payment method, as you can see here, with the title CashU and the description. That's the CashU payments. This is the description of the payment method itself. Now the customer needs to select the CashU payment method, and it will scroll down, and here you can see that we have selected the free shipping method and the payment method has been selected as CashU. Now after tapping here on the place order button, we'll be redirected to the CashU payment page, as you can see here, and within a few seconds we'll be able to see the payment description itself. Now here you can see that the price that needs to be paid is in US dollars for 100 US dollars there, and we need to make the payment authorization. Now you'll have your username like this for the payment, and a password as well, along with the balance would be there within your account there. Now the same needs to be entered here. So you have to enter your login to your account to complete the purchase. So you have to enter the cashucard.com user ID or the account ID and the password, and you have to enter the details of the characters that you can see here within this particular section here itself. After tapping on the pay button, the payment would be done and processed, and the order would be placed thereafter. Right now let me take you to the tenant end. This is the tenant end, and let's log into the tenant backend panel there. Now after the successful installation of this particular plugin, that's the Laravel SaaS CashU payment gateway plugin, the tenants need to navigate to the configure section on the side panel. Under that they have to navigate to sales. Under sales they have to go to the payment methods. Under payment methods they have to go to the CashU payment gateway, as you can see, and here they need to set up the different details. So the very first option that they need to set up is the title of the payment method. So whatever payment title that you have entered here would be visible to the customers at the checkout time after they have selected their billing address and selected the billing address basically, and after selecting the billing address they'll select the shipping method there. After selecting the shipping method, they'll see the particular payment method under the payment method section itself, and this will be the title visible there to the customers. This is the description that was visible to the customers at the checkout time there. You have to set the status of this payment gateway as active. Then you have to enter the merchant ID and the encryption keyword. Now these two elements you will be able to get after you've registered with the CashU itself. After registering there, you will get the merchant ID and the encryption keyword that needs to be entered here. Then you have to enter the display text that would be displayed on the payment gateway page itself. So here you can see that we have set it as kindly place the order with your account ID and the password below. Now the same is visible here. Kindly place your order with your account ID and the password below. This is the test environment. This is the test environment. Then you have to choose the transaction mode, whether it's in the test or the development mode or live or the production mode there. And then you have to choose the encryption as default encryption or enhanced encryption as per your own requirement there. And then you can set the sort order for this particular payment method, and accordingly the payment method would be listed under the payment methods there according to the sort order that you have set here. And lastly, you just need to tap here on the save button to save the initial configuration settings at the tenants end there itself. So yes, that was much about the Laravel SaaS CashU payment gateway, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how this SaaS add-on allows the super admin to integrate the CashU payment method in the Bagisto store for their tenants, and how the customers can make use of the same to make a payment for the orders there. And I've already told you that the CashU payment method is one of the most widely used payment methods in the Middle East and North Africa. There is no monthly or yearly fees. There is no subscription or maintenance fee. No upfront bank security is required. Alright. So yes, that was much about the Laravel SaaS CashU payment gateway, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@bagisto.com, or you can raise a ticket at bagisto.ubdesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.